Ancient man learned the use of plants as food by trial and error method. He was a nomad. He was moving from place to place. In his journey, he tasted plants. He tasted different parts of the plants and discovered the useful plants and their parts. In the course of time, he also discovered that new plants arise from the seeds of old plants. This laid the foundation to agriculture. Man not only started cultivation, but also tried different methods to improve them. It took him more than 2000 years to master cultivation. Modern man has devised many more methods to breed and cultivate crops to meet his needs. Agriculture in the beginning was traditional. In the beginning, crops were grown by scattering the seeds. However, in the later times, man devised methods of preparing the soil, watering the plants, and collecting the seeds. He also gained the knowledge of selecting seeds for the next crop. Seeds of plants having favorable characters were selected and collected to be sown for the next crop. Cultivation has also brought about changes in the wild plants. New varieties of plants were developed. The new varieties need constant attention to prevent them to revert back to wild form. In India, rice is the most important crop. Let us examine the wild varieties of rice that changed due to domestication and cultivation by man. Rice was cultivated since the Vedic time in India. Rice is a staple food in most of Asia, example Japan, China, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, etc. Rice belongs to the genus Oryza. Due to exchange of varieties between countries, new varieties of rice evolved. The rice domesticated from wild variety and cultivated in India is Oryza sativa. The popular new varieties of rice that evolved are Oryza sativa indica and Oryza sativa japonica. Several improved methods have resulted in evolving at least 1300 different varieties of rice in the recent times. Some of the improvements in rice are reducing crop duration, increasing yield, and disease resistance. In India, Indian Rice Institute at Cuttack carries out research work on rice. International Rice Research Institute at Manila is an international rice research organization. In this unit, we have studied the importance of cultivated plants and their relation to wild plants. In the next episode, we shall briefly examine how desirable traits are transferred in plants.